In this problem, we are given the graph and we need to find the slope of the line. Now, let's zoom in to this graph, and then we can see that this point is when x is 0, y is 5. So this point is 0, 5. This point is 3, 0. And to find the slope, you're going to use the y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And what are the y1, y2, x2, x1? So x1, y1 is just one point. You can call this as your first point, or you can call this as first point. It doesn't really matter. So just for convenience purpose, I'm gonna say, hey, this is my x1, this is my y1, and similarly, this is my x2, this is my y2. So using this formula, I'm gonna use y2 minus y1, which is 5 minus 0. So I use this 5 minus this 0 divided by 0 over 3. You have to come in the same order. So 0 minus 3, so which is negative 5/3. So that's how I would solve this problem. So in other words, I need to type in negative 5/3. So this is it.